What's going on, everybody? Another unboxing. This is one of the more fun unboxings because this is a creative tool. Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. I got this from 8th Street Music. They are in Jersey. For my East Coast friends that like to get stuff quick, they'll do it. They ship this out very promptly. Oh, let's see what we have. Alright, the new Arturia Microfreak. Obviously, as a pro keyboard player, I've been eyeing this little machine, and also a huge fan of the Microbrute, which has been probably my favorite little analog synth to come out in years. So let's take a look. The box is cool. Got a little breakdown here. Let's see what it looks like. Obviously I'm going to have to be doing some demos of this thing, but that's not going to be today. Wow, it is very cool looking. Interesting. We got a power supply. Oh, we got some stuff. It's like some MIDI type cables and a power supply. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Wow, it's really light. This is kind of just a fake manual because we don't need manuals anymore, right? Wow, this thing's very light. Wow, this is really cool looking. You see that? Ah, the new gear smell. Alright, so the really interesting thing about this, besides all the other interesting things about it, is the keyboard, which is a pressure sensitive input device. It's different than your normal key that you press, you know. These are flat, and it's going to take me a minute probably to get used to it, but the way I'll be using this board, that might be alright. It's got this slide bar, and yeah, this is gonna be cool. Very fun. Anyway, there you have it. The Arturia Microfreak, brand new. Just unboxed here in Queens, New York. Alright. Peace.